Hello and good morning and welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about the new technologies which we are using in the process of communication. Before going to start with the new technologies, let me have some look of the concept of communication. What is communication? Already we have seen so many things of communication. So here we are going to talk about the concept of communication in a brief manner. We communicate for different reasons, and there are a number of reasons behind the communication. So what are those reasons? That I'm going to tell you one by one. If you look at the reasons of communication, there are different reasons of communications, and what are they and which are they? Just look at this. The first one is satisfy needs in both our work and non-work life. If you want to satisfy the needs of working life as well as non-working life, it means what? Whenever you work somewhere, there are certain needs that we need to satisfy. So if you want to satisfy those needs, then there is a role of communication. At the same time, if you want to work, if you want to communicate in our day-to-day life also, in our other than work life also, there is a role of communication. Then express our thoughts and feelings. If you want to express your thoughts and feelings, opinions and views, then there is a role of communication. Already we have seen this, the way, the use of communication, objectives of communication, then certain things about the communication. And finally, we are going to talk about one more aspect here, and one more thing, that is a cause, or that is a reason of communication. That is additionally in business, to establish credibility and goodwill. If you want to establish the credibility and goodwill of the business organization, there is a role of communication. This is what communication is must in every organization, or for different reasons it is must in everybody's life also. So we must say like that, without the communication, even nobody's life is possible. And when you want to talk with certain things, then communication is one of the important aspect, one of the important part in everybody's life. So this is what communication is necessary. Communication is must for every business organization. So in this, we are going to talk about the impact of new technologies in communication, or on the process of communication. As we know that in olden days, we had different technologies for the purpose of communication. Out of them, some of them they are outdated, some of them still we are using, and still we are using those kind of technologies. Even still we are sending letters through Indian Post and couriers. So those are also there in use, but apart from that, we are also using different technologies, and because of, or with the help of those technologies, we can send messages within some fractions of second, and that is also important here. Here I have shown you two different scenarios. If you look at the first scenario, that scenario talks about the communication, the process of communication without technology. So if you want to go for the process of communication without technology, it will take 15 days, or almost around it will take 15 days. So this is a way of sending letters that we used to do. We write letters, then we post those letters into the post box, then the receiver will receive that particular letter in 10 or 15 days. That is our regular practice, and still we are using letter, and we are sending letters to Indian Post. So that is a technology that is a communication process that we are using. Without communication, it takes almost or around 15 days to get the message. Then here I have shown one more scenario, and that is the scenario where technology is used. It will take only 10 or 15 seconds to send the message. If you are mailing something, if you want to send an email, then it will take only 10 or 15 seconds to send the message. And this one is a more effective, more impressive, and more fastest way of communication that we can understand. So here in first case there was no use of technology, and in second case there is a use of technology. So we can understand the importance of technology in business communication. And definitely I'm sure about this, everybody is in favor of this new technologies which we are using in the process of communication. So just look at this, we are going ahead with this, and here we are going to understand the impact of technology on communication, how the technology has created a huge impact on the process of communication. That is also we are discussing here. So according to the n number of experts and all, definitely new technologies has created a huge impact on business, and not only business, it has created impact on business activities also. Can you imagine nowadays, can you imagine a business without communication technologies? In business, in communication technologies, in business organizations, there is a role of communication technologies, and we must say that these communication technologies have created huge impact on business and business related activities, and we cannot imagine even a small business also without communication technology. There also they are using communication technologies for their betterment, for the expansion of business, and so on. So communication technologies can be used for n number of reasons. If I want to mention those reasons, it will take at least 1 hour to explain those reasons. So here we are going to understand what sort of impact has created. So as far as the communication technology is concerned, the greatest benefit or the greatest impact is globalization. As I told you, for business organizations, world has become a global market. They can sell their product in any corner of the world, or they can buy product from any corner of the world. So this is what I must say, like that, because of this information technology related services, they can go to any place, they can sell their any product, they can contact any customer of this world, and this is possible because of the new technologies in the process of communication. So globalization, local business have become international business using IT services. Now look at this. As I told you, the business which was there for a small town or small city, or only for the state, or only for the country, is now a business for the world. Or this is what I told you, the entire world market has become a local market for the businessman, and that is possible because of with the help of what? With the help of new technologies in the process of communication. So this is the biggest benefit of communication in the process of business communication in the business organization. Then today company use digital technologies to overcome physical limitations. Nowadays we can understand this, or we people are totally have this experience, because from last March we people are facing the problem of pandemic, and this is what everything is locked down, and the lockdown situation is there. In this lockdown situation, what we guys have come across with some new technologies. Even technologies are used in the process of teaching and learning also. Forget about other business organization, they are also using, they have asked their employees to do the work from home, and this is possible because of the new technologies which we are using in the process of communication. So this is the biggest benefit that we all are enjoying, we all are coming across, or we all are getting aware with this kind of technologies in this pandemic. And companies now see e-commerce as their best chances to operate in global economy. As we know that e-commerce business has taken a lead in this communication technologies world. There are n number of e-commerce business organizations, and they are taking the benefit of all those things. So because of this e-commerce or because of technologies in the process of communication, e-commerce has totally grown, and they are taking the benefit of the technology in the process of communication. It helped reduced response time. In this case, or in this particular matter, because of the new technology in the process of communication, n number of things are happened. As far as the time is concerned, as far as the reduced response time is concerned, it has totally reduced. If I want to give feedback, if I want to give my feedback about the product that I have used by using new technologies, if I have taken it online, if I have taken it from Amazon, for example, so I can give my feedback to the Amazon company within some fractions of second, and that is important here. And it has reduced the time of response with the help of new technology. And this is the biggest benefit as far as new technologies are concerned. So here I have given two examples of Amazon and another one. Here we can understand how the technologies are useful and for what technologies are there in the business organization. In simple word, or in other words, I must say that here we can understand the impact of technology in the process of communication and how the technology has changed, how the technology has changed the entire scenario of business organization. That is also important here. So here we take a break, and in next video we are going to talk about impact of technologies on business communication in a different manner. So till then, take a leave, take a break, and we are going to meet soon. Till then, stay safe and stay connected.